The Zevro/GAT200 Indispensable Dry Food Dispenser, brought to you by Honey Can Do, is a versatile and convenient product that is sure to enhance your kitchen experience. With its sleek design and practical features, this dry food dispenser is a reliable tool for storing and dispensing a variety of dry food items. One of the standout features of the Zevro/GAT200 is its easy-to-use dispensing mechanism. Designed with a simple twist knob, you can effortlessly dispense a controlled portion of dry food with each turn. This eliminates the need for messy scooping or pouring, ensuring precise and convenient food dispensing every time. The dispenser is made of durable plastic material, which not only ensures its longevity, but also makes it easy to clean. With its black color, it adds a touch of elegance to your countertop, seamlessly blending in with any kitchen decor. This dry food dispenser has a capacity of 1.1 pounds, offering ample storage space for a variety of dry food items such.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.